Hello crypto smart investors. So if you're a lover of NFT, then this video is for you. Now Gate.io actually have its own NFT marketplace, and if you've been wondering how to get started, what you just need to do is to navigate to the top of your menu bar here, and you should see a whole lot of options on NFT. So in this video, we'll be learning how to buy our first NFT from Gate.io. If you are just getting started on Gate.io, go ahead to register with the link in the description. After registering, go ahead to complete your KYC, then deposit some USDT into your wallet to start trading. It is a wonderful experience using Gate.io. So you come to this part of your screen, just hovering your mouse, it should bring up the drop down menu. You don't have to click, then come down to where you have top NFTs. So you can just navigate through any of these options, but I want us to go to top NFTs. Clicking on top NFTs, it should bring up this for you. So we are going to be going through this interface briefly, and we should be able to see how it goes. So top NFTs, the most popular NFTs, artists and collections at Gate.io Magic Box. So the NFT marketplace of Gate.io is called Gate.io NFT Magic Box. So the total number of NFTs in this marketplace is this 582,000. The total sold is 182,000. So the total traded volume is $5.4 million. Now, what this means is that actually an NFT can be listed. So for this instance, this Bobo Dragon NFT, the total of it is 800. Is that right? So the sum total of this total assets is what makes up this total NFTs. Okay, not just the numbers, not just the collection, but the total assets itself. Then of all these total assets, the number sold is 182,000. Does that make sense? Now, after you are here, you now come down to the rank as well as the collection, the volume traded. This volume traded is in USDT, 24 hours volume traded, then the floor price, the current owners, as well as the total assets that has been minted. Is that right? So of 800 pieces of this asset that is minted, owners or people that have bought it is 176, and the current floor price is 13.98. Is this not awesome? Super awesome. You can go ahead to check out the other tabs: trending NFTs, trending artists, top collectors. But our goal is actually to buy our first NFT on Gate.io. You can go ahead to explore these options here right away. So I have popular collections. All right, so we'll just go and see if we can see any NFT that we can buy for a little amount, and we should be able to make our first purchase. Is that right? So you can go down. All right, look at this here now. For the past 24 hours, the price has increased by 13%, and for the past 7 days, there has been a decrease in price by 28%. So let's see how this goes. Snake Guardian. So once you click it, just like Opensea, well, by the way, we've actually created several videos on NFTs as well as NFT marketplaces, best NFT marketplaces. Go ahead to check it up on your screen now. So just like Opensea, you have a kind of a banner, a logo, then the name of the project, the item, that is total number minted, total owners, the floor price, as well as the total traded volume. Is alright? So you can click on the item. These are the items, and these are the different NFTs as well as their different prices. So you can decide to like any one of them, and you can decide to add them to collection. Is alright? So you can create a new collection and all that. So you can do a whole lot of things on Gate.io NFT Magic Box. Now you can also check out activity. Okay, so people that have bought and people that have sold. So we are going to make our first buy of our NFT. So here there's no need of connecting to any smart contracts or metamask, because your funds is in gate.io. So before you can buy any NFT, make sure you already have funds on your gate.io spot account. Does that make sense? So let's see, which one should we try to buy now? So let's see Snake Guardian Mutant, and we hit buy. Is there anyone that is rare? Because in buying NFTs, you must try to buy the one that is rare. So some of them are 8 USDT, some of them are 5 USDT. The Mutant special is actually... Alright, let's see if we can buy this Master Morris. Let's see if we can buy this. Let's just like it and see if we can buy it. Just click on it and it should open a new window for you. So once it opens a new window, you should be able to see more details about it. So you can comment, you can flag it, you can add it to collection and all that. So token contract address is this, metadata. Let's see, what is the metadata? Wow, this is... Alright, so offer trades cannot be traded. Others, the creator has the copyright of use right to use this work. You may not modify, copy, blah 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 blah. So more. So we're actually purchasing this particular NFT. So you hit on what? Purchase. Is that right? So it says what? Are you sure you want to purchase? Now your available balance should be able to show up here. So if you don't have USDT, you won't be able to do what? Purchase this. So are you sure you want to purchase? So for $0.5, yes, I want to purchase. So the button to purchase seems not to be working, but there's something I want to bring to our attention here. The creator of the work will receive a royalty of 10% per transaction in all transactions that occur. So this is a very good one. The creator will receive a royalty. So this seems not to be working. Alright, so let's try another one. Or can we make an offer? This imputes. Alright, let's see 0.6 USDT. Available balance is this. It is available or cashed for. If the asset owner does not accept the offer before expiry, the offer will automatically become invalid and return to your spot account. So once you are making an offer, for whatever price you are making an offer with, it will be locked. Is that right? So if I'm making an offer for $5 will be locked. But if after the offer expires and this particular guy does not accept the offer, the $5 will be released. So offer confirmed. Before the offer expires, the accept the transaction will be automatically executed. So customization. I want this offer to expire this 20th 21. Okay, let's just leave it at 3 days. Offer confirmed. So I've made an offer for this and it's going to end in 2 days. Is that right? So I don't know why we could not purchase it outrightly. So let us check another one and see if we'll be lucky. So let's see this. Okay, so NFTs on gate.io is relatively cheap compared to what you have in Opensea. So the highest an NFT has sold on Opensea is 69 million US dollars. Can you beat that? We actually made a video on the most expensive NFTs ever sold, so go ahead to check it up there now. Okay, so let us come back to this and go back here. Maybe it's peculiar to this particular snake NFTs or whatever the hell it is called. So let's come down and see whether we can still Crypto Monkey Gang. So 793 items, 289 owners. Floor price is this. Trader volume is this. So let's see those that have been listed for sale. So let's quickly touch this and we hit on buy. Okay, there's an offer for this already. Is that so? One cannot buy what already has an offer on it. Purchase. I have 4.6. Purchase. Okay. Okay, there are offers on all this already. So what of this? Let me see whether I can purchase this. I think the ones that already have offers on them, you cannot probably buy it, okay, until the offer elapses. Alright, so that is nice. So you hit on what? go and buy this at the floor price of 0.5 USDT. Is alright. So 3 days, or let me customize it to just 2 days, 1300. So offer confirmed. A bid volatility period should be a period from, okay, let me just go with 3 days, whatever that means. So I've made an offer for this Goblin Monkey number 30, which I don't know what I'm buying. I'm just buying it because it's cheap. Alright, so all I spent $1 buying 2 NFTs. Who knows, it can go massively, can go parabolic. No one knows. Okay, so that's exactly how to buy NFTs on Gate.io. So do well to get your own NFT today, but you can only get your NFT if you are registered and signed in on Gate.io. So once you are registered, go ahead to complete your KYC, transfer USDT to your account, and start trading and start buying your NFTs. It's such a wonderful world. Support us by smashing the subscribe button right away. Also like and share this video. Peace out.